Hello, I'm Derek,
And I'm Salonda.
and welcome back to our channel,
We
We
be
Be Trippin'.
tripping.
So, today we are um, giving you a recap of day 5, and today became our first sport because Grand Turk was canceled 2 days ago, Wednesday. So, today we arrived in Aruba. So, we got off the ship. And this was our, how many times have we been to Aruba?
I think this is our fourth time in
Okay.
Aruba. You said five. I think it's four.
Okay. Well, we've been to Aruba several times. And so this time we wanted to do some things that were a bit different than we normally do. And we ended up eating at a place that we've eaten at before, years ago,
Right.
right? And that place was
O'Neill's.
O'Neill's. And when I tell you O'Neill's, I had oxtails, and it was incredible.
It was. I think that's the best oxtails I ever had.
Yeah, but sometimes, I think that O'Neill's can possibly, um, you know, break Salanda and I up because normally, with the food, I can eat my food and Salanda have some left over and I can, eat her food. And with the oxtail, when I noticed I wasn't pacing myself and when I, looked over to get some of Solanda's oxtails and peas and rice, there wasn't any to get. So, so what did you think about the oxtail?
It was great.
Better than
The last time I had oxtails was in Jackson, Mississippi,
yeah.
and they were good, but
Okay.
this was better.
Yeah. And I think the thing about oxtails to me is that it's it's very hard to it's too hard to work for meat with oxtail. I mean they need to maybe do the back or something or the stomach or something. I
And
think.
in the States, oxtails are so expensive. Derek
Yeah.
had a plate, I had a plate. We had three drinks, and our bill was like $53.
Yeah. And that was with 15%
Yeah.
service charge. So yeah, it was very reasonable.
Mhm.
You know. So let's back up. I just had to talk about those the oxtail and stuff. But anyway, we started off. We rented a vehicle from
J's.
Jay's, um, and we rented a mid-size vehicle this time. Normally we get a Jeep, and there's a huge difference in price because the Jeep is like 250,
250 we paid for the Jeep.
and the mid-size car is
85.
85. So it's a huge difference. So it was just Alonda and myself today. So we, driving around again, going to some different places because normally we'll get the rent a vehicle from a Jeep from Jay's. We'll go like to the California Lighthouse. We'll go to Zerovers. We'll go to the what's that bridge?
The Natural
The
Bridge.
Natural Bridge. Things like that. We'll go to Fat Tuesdays. We go to those places.
In places like the Natural Bridge, you need a
You
Jeep.
need a Jeep because
You
the
need a
terrain
Jeep.
is kind of rough.
Mhm.
Yeah. So, but today we we got the car. The first stop was
Santa Cruz. We left Aruba. We went to Santa Cruz.
okay. Went to Santa Cruz. What do you think about Santa Cruz?
It was nice. It was different. We pulled up an itinerary for the locals. We
Mhm.
didn't want to hang around because if you ever been to Aruba, it's really tourists. Where the cruise ship dock,
Mhm.
it's all tourists.
Right.
So we wanted to go out,
Yeah.
and it was nice.
Okay. So we left there, and then the next place we went was
The Polk, what it's called.
I can't think of the park.
We went to a Polk.
Yeah. I can't. It escapes me right now. Where's your phone? Okay. You know what? While we
I
so
don't
this
know.
okay. The because let me say this. We ended up one of the first times that we came to Aruba, we we had our drone with us, right? And if you've ever seen our We Be Trippin' commercial, that was taken with the drone in Aruba. So we were we went to the beach, to the sea, and we ended up flying a drone um, over a prison. We had no idea that the prison was there. So the people came out to find out what we were doing, and of course the people were talking to me. I'm trying to get the drone to work because it was killing me that day. But these people, they're talking to us like what are you doing? Who are you? And I think they realized that we were tourists, that we had nothing to do with the jail. We were not trying to maybe fly anything over the drone, deliver anything. So we ended up today back at that prison place. So as soon as we saw it, of course Solana was like, oh, that's where the people were about to arrest us at, blah blah whatever.
Not us. Not us.
Oh, definitely us.
Oh no, not us.
Oh yeah, it's us. We together.
No.
You know what I'm saying? If I wasn't trying to deliver anything, you gonna let me go down by myself? No.
Sometimes you gotta be on the outside.
Right. Okay. All right. I'm just saying. So anyway, what was the name of the place where we went? Aricot
National Park.
Yeah. So we went to Aricot National Park. What did you think about that?
Well, we didn't go in because it's hiking and whatever.
Yeah.
So we didn't go in. We just went to the front, turned around.
Yeah.
The visitors
Yeah.
station and turned around.
Yeah.
But we did some hiking this morning.
We did. We did a lot. We went to this rock place because Solana had our itinerary that she pulled up, but on the way we were passing and we saw like this huge rock formation. I'm like, oh, that looks pretty good. Let's go and check that out. So we ended up going and climbing up the rock. First went up the wrong side of the rocks, and I'm like, okay, well, I know I see people on the top, but like how are they getting from this place? Like you had to like rock climb, and I was like, I can't do that. Not going to do that. So we ended up going around the little mountain, Rock Mountain, and we saw where they had another place side that you can go up. Now, when we get up to the top of the rock, this Rock Mountain, the view is amazing. But I've developed a fear of heights in the past 5 or 6 years. So I get up there on top, and it's like I realized, they had a sign that said like climb at your own risk or something. I realized, we're not really supposed to be up there. You know what I'm saying? So I was like, I sat down, but since I was up there, I wanted to get y'all some footage. So I was videoing around, and then Solana had the wrong shoes on. So I'm telling her like, you need to, hey, you need to sit down. Go see. So we go.
I need to sit down. No.
Yeah, because she putting pressure on me because if anything happened to her, like I'm gonna be the one that's gonna have to save her. She has the wrong shoes on, and it's already a problem for me to be up there. She just wants to do everything up there on top of the mountain. So anyway, but it was a great view. What did you think about the view?
I have video.
Why are you laughing like that?
I have video of Derek going down the mountain.
Them people don't want to hear that. They just want to know what we did on our
fifth
day.
It is.
Anyway, boy, it's rough. Anyway, so we left there and we went to the donkey sanctuary.
Yeah.
Ended up going to the donkey sanctuary. That was our first time there. What did you think about the donkey sanctuary?
Before, when we came to Aruba, the donkeys was wild. You used to see them all over.
I think they're still wild because.
But not as many.
That's probably because of the sanctuary.
Because of the sanctuary.
Yeah,
so now
the wild ones are the ones that probably escaped from the sanctuary.
Yeah.
Probably.
So we went to the donkey sanctuary. We was able to feed the donkeys.
Yeah.
They had one racing towards me, but it was.
It was what?
Different.
Yeah, I don't listen. I don't really play with animals like that. You know what I'm saying? I think we have an understanding. I'm not messing with them animals. So and we're in their habitat. So when they come towards you, I mean, I guess they want to be right there. So. But
and
anyway,
they were aggressive.
Yeah, they were.
I was feeding them, and I'm telling you, I told Derek, you could tell.
Yeah.
One of them was from the Desire.
Okay. So we left the donkey sanctuary, and where did we go next? That's when we went to eat.
Yeah, we
After we
went
left the
to
donkey sanctuary.
and we
Okay.
ate in Saint Nicholas. That's the name of it.
I'm not sure. I'm
Saint
not sure.
Nicholas.
Yeah, I'm not sure. Uh, so we left there, and we went to what was the next place we went after that? Because we were doing a lot today. You
Mhm.
know, we left there and went to because we walked around, had stores and stuff around there, so we walked around in the store, seeing what they had to
Oh, we
offer.
went to Baby Beach where we
Okay,
saw
Baby Beach.
the
Okay,
goats.
yeah. We saw Baby Beach. We saw, they had some aggressive goats. It might just be something about the animals in Aruba. They're aggressive because these goats, they were like,
Mhm.
like fighting one another. And I think what? Also, we realized like a goat. You would probably need a picture, but a goat is like I think apparently like the some of the giraffes been molesting some dogs or something like that because these goats had they had some necks on these things, man. But yeah, we saw that. I had to tell because Solana was saying that. She was like, look at the neck on that puppy. I was like, no, that's not a puppy. So anyway, we left.
You know, but these goats hang around the federal penitentiary,
Yeah.
and I guess they guard the
How we know that's
penitentiary.
federal? How we know that's
But that
federal?
is, it's the feds.
Okay, that's the
It's
feds.
yeah,
That's
it
the
is,
Aruba feds.
it is,
Anyway.
it is. But anyway, the goats they had two two goats guarding the
Yeah.
prison.
So
So I
yeah.
guess that's their job. And the two that we saw by the beach, they was
I think they were
auditioning.
I think they were mountain goats though.
Um,
Yeah.
yeah.
But yeah.
Uh-huh.
So we was on the mountain and they had goats up. So anyway,
But the view was breathtaking. I mean, the view,
yeah.
it was real pretty.
Yeah, so I was trying to get as close to the edge as possible without, because I have to protect Solanda, so but still got some nice video and stuff like that for you.
You told the
So,
people you clumsy.
hmm?
No, he shouldn't have
No,
gotten
no,
close.
no, they said that they didn't want to hear that.
Okay.
So, the next we left there and we went to what was the next place we went to?
To get a phone charger. I don't know.
Um,
I can't remember.
yeah, we got a phone charger from the local grocery store. And what's crazy is we got a phone charger, got some water. I had a Snicker ice cream. Um, and what you have?
A pack of Doritos.
Pack of Doritos. Well, I'm gonna say this is crazy. I had a ice cream Snicker that I made sure it was cold, it was frozen, but this man bumped into me like going out the door, and it melted my Snicker. So I couldn't figure out like how is that possible? And there was a guy at the side of the door. He knew what was happening because he kept laughing. You know what I'm saying? The old black man that was he trying to sell us something or what?
No, but I told Derek to check for his wallet because I thought it was a setup when he bumped into you.
Yeah, but anyway, yeah, I think he just melted my Snickers, so that's probably what it was all about. So we left there. We ended up eating at. We got a coffee from McDonald's. Mm-mm. And
I think it might be the water. Something was wrong with the coffee.
I think
It
it's
could be the
that.
water.
You think that's what it is?
Could be.
Okay, I think it's that health board or something because that the McDonald's that coffee. Solana said it was because I don't drink coffee, but Solana said it wasn't good. Then we went to Wendy's and you wanted a frosty and a cookie, and convinced me to get a float.
Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah, and I don't know if you've ever tried to drink like ice cream through a straw, but it was bad. I had to work hard. Like it was horrible. And I don't. It was a Coke float, which I've never had a Coke float. Solana told me a Coke float is good. I thought a float is supposed to be root beer. That's what I asked for. So Solana was telling me no, the Coke float is good. So I tried the Coke float and nope,
If you're ever in Aruba,
don't get the Coke float.
shut up. Um,
Coffee? Don't
whatever
get the
you
coffee.
buy is not in dollars.
Yeah.
It's in their money. Like when we was in
That
a
kind of thing.
restaurant, their currency. When we was
Mhm.
in a restaurant, when the bill came, it said $91. And if we wouldn't have,
Go ahead.
if we wouldn't have asked
Mhm.
if that was in dollars or in their currency, they would have accepted our $91.
Mhm. Yeah. So I asked the question, was
So
it
you need
in
to know.
USD, and they told us that no. And so that's how we ended up knowing that the bill was like 50 something dollars or whatever it was. So
Mhm.
yeah, and that's something to really remember, because a lot of times you go places and people don't tell you like the exchange rate or whatever. They don't tell you. You think that when they give you the bill, whatever's on there, you just like pay it, and they'll take out whatever the money is in USD. So you have to make sure that you stay on top of that. What else? What else happened? We went to California Lighthouse, and went up to the top, to just get a view of the area. And California Lighthouse is a place that we always go. We always end our day there in Aruba, because it overlooks the sea, and the Caribbean Sea, and we're able to watch the sunset from there. I'm telling you, if you how can I say this? One of the most romantic things that I've ever experienced, um, is watching the sun set, watching the sunset over the sea from the California lighthouse. You know,
It's pretty.
and there's a little tradition that when the sun go down, if you watch the sun disappear, you kiss your significant other. So that's our little thing. What else? Why are you laughing?
That's how we ended the day.
Okay, well, I'm saying, why are you laughing like
And I
that?
don't think the boat don't leave till like 10 o'clock tonight.
9:30, yeah, I think it's at
Nine
9.
thirty.
Yeah.
10
So
o'clock.
then after that returned the
The rental car.
we returned the rental car, and that was pretty much it.
That was a
So
lot. Today was a lot.
yeah,
We did a lot. I'm
yeah,
tired. I'm a shower. We did a lot today.
yeah. We were really moving around. And again, the thing is, we wanted to do something different than we normally do, because last time we were just here last year, right? And with the group, and we ate at Zero's, which is a place that we have eaten at. I'm thinking like 2 or 3 times, you know.
Mhm.
But there was a barracuda incident at Zero's the last time we was here, so kind of like kind of watch that fish of the day stuff. So what? Anything else you want to say?
That's all.
So that's it, and guess we'll be back tomorrow. We are in
Bonaire.